from now on, any sign which might help you, can you please tell me out loud?
Turn left.
100 yards, turn left. So the first sign there is the giveaway sign, which is
Giveaway sign.
it said stop. There's a stop sign. So there's a stop sign there. So
Turn left.
mirror signal, left, turn down. There's a stop sign. Then me and I have to come to a stop at this line painted in front of us. Creep forward and then stop.
So what if nobody's coming? Do we still have to stop?
No, I could have gone.
No, we still have to stop.
Do we stop? Okay.
Stop means complete stop regardless if somebody's coming or not. So sign, that triangle sign, was that a giveaway sign?
No, it wasn't a giveaway sign.
What does triangle
It's
sign
a
mean?
warning sign.
Is a warning sign.
Yeah.
Now, did you saw any other information on that
It
sign?
said stop at 100 sign, so it was warning us to do that.
Yes. You see what I mean? What is that sign telling you?
That is a crossroad.
So it's a warning you
Yeah.
that there's a crossroad coming up.
Yeah.
But technically, who have got the priority? If we're
No,
going straight?
the person going straight ahead is
Yeah, because they're going to give a line, but still you need to look out for. Now, clear to your information. So stop when I asked you that if there is nobody's coming, do we still have to stop at the stop sign? You says we don't have to, we can carry on. That's not true.
Okay.
A stop sign means regardless if anybody's coming or not, you need a complete full stop. Then you check and then go.
Okay.
Now the phrase examiners use or we use to DVSA that a complete stop have taken place. A lot of people, they're going to watch this and they're going to relate to them as well.
Okay.
What they must have failed, they might have stopped, but then they quickly went. They didn't really complete stop. Some people, they come, the cars keep rolling slowly. They look, nobody coming, they went, and examiner don't pass them at all.
Okay.
Do you know why they got a stop sign there? Why they put stop sign?
Is it because of this road that you're entering into?
It could be there might be a high risk involved where your zone of vision may be restricted.
Yeah.
There might be vulnerabilities there where some people may be coming quite fast. So to prevent an accident,
Okay.
to prevent any other serious scenarios, it's better to stop and do your LADA. Look, assess, decide, and then act. That's why they put, I mean, we've done so many crossroads, but they don't have stop signs on all the crossroads, do they?
No.
Only some of them where there's high risk involved there. Does it make sense
Yeah.
now? Would you gonna remember that?
Yeah.